What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning to Stock Essentials. My name is Alex. We're going to be going over Tattooed Chef stock, ticker symbol TTCF. And I think that is a pretty good buy at this price point right now. As you can see, the past year it's down negative 6%. So it's been a really rough ride, hitting highs of around $27 per share before dipping all the way to 16. Back to 20, back to 16, back to 20. So it's been bouncing all over the place. But overall, it has this really nice pennant formation. And I do think that we're seeing some increased volatility with the stock, especially with earnings coming up next week, in 2 weeks, actually, November 26th. So people are really watching for earnings, as the stock has been hit pretty hard from previous earnings, and then after earnings it of course runs up. But right now there's some good premiums to be made with this stock on the options chain, so we will be looking closely at the stock to sell, to potentially sell some puts on the stock, because this is a good stock long term, great company. It's a plant-based food company similar to Beyond Meat, and as we can see here, Tattooed Chef stock may benefit from changing tastes in the long term. And this is also due to the rising price of meats, beef specifically. So people are moving towards plant-based foods, which is a lot cheaper and it basically mimics the taste of actual meat without being meat. So Tattooed Chef, it's gaining a lot of popularity. A lot of stores are carrying it now. Target, Walmart, maybe Safeway. A lot of these stores carrying Tattooed Chef products. So it is a growing industry, and it can be very good for the long term. So we're here to make money on options. So if we do, we're going to sell some cash kid puts, and if we do get assigned, it's still going to be pretty good. I do think that, as we can see here, the stock, it went public through, I think, a SPAC merger, but it's been doing decent ever since it went public, but it's been pretty bumpy the past year. And now right here, we're retesting lows again, so I do think that it can potentially rebound after some subpar earnings in the previous quarters. Let's over here with the options chain. So let's go to the options. And it's actually not loading, I don't think. But selling some cash kid puts around the $15 strike is going to be pretty good. It's very unfortunate Robinhood is not loading. Of course, Robinhood's sometimes it has some problems. And I'm recording this late at night, so it might be going some maintenance. But what I'm looking for is selling some cash kid puts around the $15 level. As we can see here, it's rebounded almost every time, hit this $16 mark. So I'm looking for a $14 or $15 cash kid put, expiring maybe this week. I'm going to be selling them 2 times. One expiring this week, November 19th, and then another for the next week, which is going to be the earnings week. Just to capitalize on the higher implied volatility. And I don't mind getting assigned shares if the stock ends up tanking below our strike price. Because remember, when you're selling a cash kid put, if the stock goes below your strike price at expiration, then you have to buy 100 shares of the stock at your strike price. So make sure you're selling puts on stocks you don't mind owning. And I don't mind owning Tattooed Chef. And running the wheel strategy on it, because once you get assigned shares, you can turn that around and sell some covered calls, make money on both the put side as well as the call side. So Tattooed Chef is looking pretty good. It's down quite a bit in the past week, so this could be a good dip buying opportunity. You of course can just pick up some shares, and that would be pretty good. Just buy and hold for the long term. That would be a very viable strategy as well, as we're sitting at lows again. So that's about it for this video. If it helps you in any way, please leave a like, comment down below what your thoughts are on Tattooed Chef, and of course subscribe if you're new to the channel. Helps out a lot. Thanks for watching.